We are in Tennessee. We are heading to
Tennessee.
Let's go. We're on our way. We stopped in Mount Vernon at Duke's to get gas. Try to find some food in there. There were some decent options, pretty expensive, so we made pass, eat down the road. But here we go. Alrighty, so we made it to Little Rock. Time to jump in the RVs. My dad's and my brother's back there. We're gonna have fun. Here we go. Alrighty, we are going. This is a new experience for the kids.
What? Where are we? What are we in Papa's what?
RV. We just sat in traffic for about an hour, but I can say it's the most relaxed I've ever been while sitting in traffic. Alrighty, we are at Parker's Crossing, Tennessee. What was supposed to be a 7-hour trip ended up being about 9.5, but we've made it safely. We're we are 1 hour away. I'm exhausted from Nashville. We got a shorter day tomorrow. We're gonna get some rest, we're tired. We will see you in the morning. Good morning, fellow adventurers. Benji here. We are excited because today is our first full day in Tennessee. We stopped at Parker's Crossing, Tennessee. We were actually 100 miles west of Nashville. We decided to split the trip up a little bit. We got stuck in some traffic coming through Memphis. But today's plans are head to Townsend, Tennessee. We're 4.5 hours from there in the Smoky Mountains. We're excited about the adventures that awaits for us there. The kids are already having a blast. Teen, you having a blast?
Yeah, this is beautiful.
She's got her coffee. This campground is really, really nice. Clean, quiet, good place for the kids. They got a pool and a pond. Obviously, you can see this is a very nice state. On the road again.
Headed for Townsend.
Townsend, Tennessee. Here we go.
Is Buddy sitting in your lap? Yeah. Buddy.
If you don't know what the good life is, you got to check out these little ones while going down the road. The good life.
Grandma got the games out, playing some dice. Time for a lollipop
It
break.
slowed down on us for a little bit going into.
Riding in a Winnebago adventurer. It's perfect for here for a moment.
We have arrived at Little Arrow Outdoor Resort, and I'm telling you, it's one of the nicest resorts, camping grounds I've ever seen. Y'all, this is our glamping tent. Teen, are you excited?
Yeah, this is really nice.
You go in, immediately have like a sitting area. They got a place for a hot element where you can have coffee, tea,
Little kitchen
area. Then you got the kids' room right here with bunks. Mom and Dad's room right here. Super cool. We're gonna do a
So nice. And this is one thing that I was concerned about, but there's locks that can lock down here to keep the kids inside. Taking this little path down to the river right at our campground. Kids are loving it. Such a great location. What happened, Bubba?
I fell off the rock.
You fell off the rock into the water? Oh my goodness. Well, I guess it's now as good time as any.
I see a little fish.
We haven't even been here at the river 10 minutes, and this boy has already gone in.
He fell in.
He fell in.
Okay, let's take a bite. What do you think?
I haven't even took a bite yet. Junkster.
It's good. Yeah. Other little kids told us about this game where we can find these glow-in-the-dark colorful rocks all over campground. And we have been just finding them all over the place. And it's been such a fun little game for the kids. They love it. Let's see if we can find any more.
Again with the good life, Ant-Man, and the boys watching it outside. Alrighty, y'all, I realize this vlog has probably been all over the place just because of travel, getting here, getting everything in and structured with family members, checking things out, going to get food at the grocery store. So things were a little hectic. On top of that, a little bit of rain. But it has been an awesome, awesome day. Listen to that if you can hear it. Nature, the river's right below us. We're ready to unplug and relax. Day 2 tomorrow. We'll see you. We're going to call it a night. See you tomorrow.
wheelchair.
Just hanging out underneath the waterfall. We've been doing this for 10 minutes and we're gassed already.